Welcome to the Knowledge Paradise KP YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered that what is the solar system, how it formed, and what are the different specifications or characteristics of Sun and different planets? So let's start. At the time of formation of the solar system, there was a huge cloud of dust or nebula. Near to the nebula, there was a supernova star which collapsed and produced a huge amount of energy, due to which solar system appeared. Almost 99.8% of the energy stored to the Sun and just 0.2% remained for planets, moons and rocks. Now the question arises that what are the planets? Planets were also the rocks, which started revolving around the Sun due to its gravitational pull. So let's start sharing the knowledge regarding the Sun and the planets of the solar system. Sun is a G2 type star. It is 3 lakh times heavier and 1.3 million times more volumetric than Earth. The temperature of the surface of Sun is 5505 degrees Celsius due to hydrogen fusion happening inside its core. Mercury has 1 year of 88 days, and 1 day of Mercury is almost equal to 178 days of Earth. Mercury has almost no atmosphere. There are a lot of mountains on its surface, and the biggest one of them is 600 km long and 1 km high, known as Calores Montes. Venus is almost equal to Earth in size. It consists of 96% of carbon dioxide and 3% of nitrogen. Air pressure at Venus is 90 times more than that of Earth. The temperature at the surface of Venus is 4700 degrees Celsius. There are 150 giant volcanoes on Venus up to 700 km in dia and 5.5 km in height. The Earth is the third planet of the solar system. Mainly, it consists 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen and other traces. This knowledge regarding Earth is enough because who knows our homeland better than us? Mars is half of the radius of Earth and 10% of its mass. Its atmosphere is mainly carbon dioxide and some oxygen. It has highest mountain in the solar system, having 27 km of height, known as Olympus Mons. Also, it has the biggest canyon of the solar system, which is almost 4000 km long, known as Valles Marineris. Jupiter is the most massive planet. It is 2.5 times more massive than the combined planets of the solar system. Jupiter's visible surface is not solid. It is a gas giant. Everything is cloud. There is a big cloud on the surface of Jupiter known as Great Red Spot. It is a giant star that has been bragging for at least 350 years since its discovery by Robert Hooke in 1664. Its size is equal to the size of 3 Earths. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. Ganymede is largest, and the 4 biggest are called Galilean satellites because Galileo was the first who discovered them. Saturn's diameter is 85% of Jupiter's dia, and mass is 30% of Jupiter's mass. It is also a gas giant. It has immense rings. Ring system is very complex and not understandable yet. These rings are 10 meters thick and composed of water ice. Uranus was discovered in 1781 by William Herschel, a musician and astronomer. It has discovered as a star for 22 times by mistake. Uranus was not moving as predicted until 1822 because it was pulled by another planet known as Neptune. The temperature at the surface of Uranus is minus 244 degrees Celsius. On 12 July 2011, Neptune completed its first orbit since its discovery. 1 year of Neptune is equal to 60,200 days or 165 years of Earth. Each pole of Neptune gets light and other remains dark for 42 years. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.